Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. This is how to use Garden Cress or Habba Rashad in Arabic. That is to lower your sugar. So first of all, you take 1 teaspoon and you take 1 teaspoon of the Garden Cress. You put it there, and then you also add like a quarter. So about this. So you add a quarter, tip of that. You add it to the pot, right, like that. Okay, so you add a cup of water. You put it here, so you add, so almost below the sticker, and this is the amount I got. You put it in. You might want to add also 100 ml of water extra just to recompensate for the evaporated water. Okay, so something like that. Now you turn on the stove. You put it on, high, or doesn't matter as long as we just want it to start boiling. And once it gets boiling, we leave it there for only 2 minutes because we don't want to lose the effective ingredients, the oily effective ingredients on this item. Okay, so start boiling right now. You see the bubbles start coming out. So when we reach this stage, we leave it there for like 2 minutes, only 2 minutes, no more than that. So now it's about 1:51 p.m. So now it's like 1:52 p.m. Just wait till it hits 1:53. Okay, so now immediately 1:53 p.m. we close it. Now immediately we need to use our we filter it because it's going to get very sticky. So we want to make sure we get all of this water that we need, because it turns like into a jelly type of material after that, and it will suck. Okay, so you see it's kind of like yellowish in color, the final solution, and this is the material here. I can use it, but for right now, I'll just put it on the side. And this is the solution that you want to drink every day. One for the next every day for a week. And then after that, you make it every other day. And on the third day, you make it. You leave a gap about 2 days. And that's it. Now the cress will make sure it's cooled down. Thank you for